Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Frenchy, cooking, baking made easy. Hope you had a good week so far. Today I'm going to talk to you about the mayonnaise. So I'm going to show you and demonstrate to you how to make a quick, nice mayonnaise, a nice dressing for many salads or just side dishes. If you like it with your chips, if you like it with your fish, mayonnaise is a basic sauce, an emulsified sauce. In other recipe, I will show you later how to make an aioli, because it's from the mayonnaise, a rouille, because it's from the mayonnaise, another tartare sauce, it's another one, or parsley. So let's get cooking a storm in your kitchen. Mayonnaise is a rich dressing that gives a really nice flavor to your salads, generally, either rice-based salad or potato salad. This one, I'll make it with Dijon mustard, beautiful mustard from France, and also a little bit of lime at the end, just to give it a nice, fresh little twist to it. Okay, so for that mayonnaise recipe, the first things you gotta do is to gather all your ingredients. In terminology, cooking terminology, we call it the mise en place. Mise en place means be ready. So put everything into place to be ready to create that recipe. So gather your eggs, your salt, your pepper, your lime, your oil, and your mustard, of course. Tip number 2, try to leave your oil, mustard, and the eggs outside the fridge. Temperature with egg yolks, it's very important. So if you can keep it for 10 or 15 minutes outside the fridge, it will be greater for the mayonnaise and less risk to split it. Tip number 3, clarify your eggs. Clarifying means separating the egg yolk from the egg white and put them in a clean bowl. Once you've done that, add the mustard, give it a quick mix together and leave it there for 2 minutes. Just for the ingredients to get to the same temperature. It's very important you do so. Next tip, secure your bowl. Make sure you have a wet towel under your bowl. It will avoid the bowl to get around and to put oil everywhere. Add the oil slowly, a bit at the time. Just a little string of oil. If you have a machine, it's easier. But if you do it by hand, just a little bit, mix to the corner of the bowl and let the oil gather together. That's the emulsification or emulsifying. Then add the lime juice. It gives a little bit of a zing, it's fresh. You could use lemon juice. You also could do vinegar. A lot of people, chefs, use vinegar for it. If you want to make your mayonnaise a little bit lighter, you can add some really cold water, just a little bit. So your mayonnaise will be lighter, become whiter, but also more runny. Seasoning is so important. Always double check your seasoning at the end of a dish. So add your salt and pepper and taste it. Remember that mayonnaise? Gotta taste it. Always use a spoon. Nice, fresh, zingy, bit of salt and pepper, fantastic. This will be the base for my beautiful potato salad. I love it. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time on Cooking with Frenchy. Under the description, under this video, in the description, there will be a link to find out my full printable recipe and also a list of utensils I use to make that recipe. So feel free to check it out, have a look, go to my website, print that recipe and enjoy. If you haven't done it so, make sure you press the little subscribe button, you change your bell notification, and like this you will not miss any of my recipes. I'm going to try to be a little bit more organized lately and do a recipe every Friday for you. So it might take me another couple of weeks, but make sure to tune in on Friday and check out if there's a new recipe that you can do on the weekend or you can do with your friends. Voila, it was quite easy, wasn't it? You can keep it for, I would say 24 hours in the fridge, to be honest with you. Mayonnaise, because it's raw eggs, tends to be a little bit more dangerous in terms of food contamination. So we try to make it fresh all the time and as fresh as possible. It's not the ingredients that I will keep for too long. So if I want to have that for summer salad, I make it today, I do the salad today and I eat it today. So enjoy that recipe and I hope to see you next time for the potato recipe with my mayonnaise dressing into it. See you next week.